Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your courses here at Bryan University. I'm Helen Panza, your instructor for Business 145, Business Communication. In this class, we are going to be learning how to communicate professionally with the written language and also verbally with the spoken language. Your course material, learnits, and assignments will focus on the written word. Our live sessions will focus on the spoken word. Come to our live sessions, there are 4 of them, during weeks 1, 3, 5, and 7 of your course. The first one will be held on Tuesday, July 23rd in the morning, 7 a.m., or, if you can't make that one, Thursday, July 25th at 5 p.m., and those times are Pacific time. Do the conversion to your own time zone or check out our live meeting page for the meeting dates, times, and links. We'll also have live sessions on August 6th and 8th, August 20th and 22nd, and then our last live session during week 7 will be held on September 3rd and September 5th in the evening. This is a great class. You're going to enjoy it. When you come to our live sessions, be prepared to have your camera on and your speaking voice ready because we'll be doing lots of speaking exercises. This class will only be successful if you come ready to participate. Participation is important. Making up the live session is a little more tricky. Not only will you have to provide me with a summary of what we did in the live session, send it to my inbox. You'll also have to present to me through my inbox a recording of you doing the exercise that you missed in class. It's much more fun to come to our live meetings in person than to do these summary write-ups and exercises off on your own. I encourage you to work in your study groups if you have one or form one. You've been with these students and classmates. This is probably your 3rd class together. Get to know each other if you haven't already. We'll be discussing lots of communication topics and practicing with each other. I really look forward to seeing you on the 23rd or 25th of July in our live session. I want you to be there. I want you to be ready to talk. And I want you to get your grid on and come with an open mind and a growth mindset. We're going to have fun in this class. See you soon.